Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create public lobbies in Anime Vanguards. First, launch the game and ensure you are connected to the internet. From the main menu, you will want to locate and click on the Play or Multiplayer option. This action will take you to the next screen where you can choose your game type. It's a straightforward process to get started, allowing you to quickly jump into the action with other players. Once you've selected Play, you'll see several options. Look for a button clearly labeled Create Lobby or Host Game. This is your gateway to setting up a new session. Click on it to proceed. You might also see options for Join Lobby or Quick Play, but for hosting, Create Lobby is what you need. This step is crucial for establishing your own game environment. Now it's time to configure your lobby settings. The most important step here is to select Public Visibility. This ensures other players can find and join your game. Next, you can adjust the maximum number of players, usually up to 4 or 6, depending on the game mode. Finally, choose your preferred game mode and map. These selections define the experience for everyone joining. With your lobby configured, you're almost ready to play. You'll see a lobby code displayed. Share this with friends if you wish for them to join directly. Otherwise, simply wait for other public players to fill the available slots. Once you have enough players, or when you're ready to begin, click the Start Game button. Enjoy your Anime Vanguard's adventure with new teammates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.